Hi guys, I'm Devanshu Bajaj and I welcome back all of you to our channel, that is IMC Ecosphere. Today we'll be starting the healthcare section of our company. In the upcoming videos you'll be able to witness each and every product of the healthcare section. Guys, I feel the healthcare section is the most important section you all need to focus on. Right, I'll be telling you the dosages, the situations in which the products have to be referred, also each and everything about the product. Right, you all need to memorize it, I believe. Yeah, right, you don't refer these videos again and again in front of the customer especially. Just memorize all of them and refer it to the customer which requires them. Right, we don't need to refer in every situation, but a specific situation needs to be referred a specific product. Right, so I won't take much of your time and I'll quickly move on to our products. So guys, this is one of our bestseller products. It's called Aloe Noni Juice. Right, so Aloe Noni Juice, as you all can see the box, the packing, the color of the product. So Aloe Noni Juice has aloe vera in it, amla in it, grapes in it, and ashwagandha, triphala. So all these herbs have a great effect on our body, and we refer it as a product which is to be meant to cure weakness in people. Right, it's basically referred for people who are suffering with either knee pain, back pain, right? All kinds of body pains can be healed with this product. Women above the age of 40 can drink it because it provides them an extra strength which gets lost in women after 40. So you can refer them to people who are at bed rest, can refer them, you can refer them to. So it's basically for people who are suffering with weakness, right? It cures weakness instantly, right? Instantly, you can say within 7 days or 14 days, right? And it also has, amla has vitamin C, right? It contains 20 times more vitamin C than what oranges contain. It is written in the box, so you can all read it there. So it's a great antioxidant, right? So it can help in slowing your aging process a bit. Also guys, this product is basically an overall product which can boost up your immune system also, as it is providing you enough strength to combat weakness. Right, so guys, now the dosage of this product, the cap of this product is such, right? In every bottle of ours you'll find such a cap. You have to fill this cap half, right, which would be of 15 to 20 ml. This cap is of 30 ml, so you have to fill this cap half, which is 15 ml. You have to just add that 15 ml to lukewarm water, and the water can be consumed directly. Right, guys, you have to consume this product once a day just after getting up, right? Empty stomach. You can again see this product, right? Don't miss the packing, guys. There are two kinds of products. One is Aloe Noni Juice and the one is Aloe Vera Fibrous Juice. So Aloe Noni, as you all can see the box once again, right? So this is Aloe Noni. You can refer it to people who are suffering with weakness first of all, and then especially for immune system. Guys, now I have Aloe Vera Fibrous Juice in my hand. You all can see it here, right? You can just note the packing, right? We have two kinds of aloe vera juices with us. So this is Aloe Vera Fibrous Juice, right? So guys, Aloe Vera Fibrous Juice, I would like to maintain, say that Aloe Vera Fibrous Juice has 94% aloe vera extract, right? It has the aloe vera extract which is not found in our garden. It is the aloe vera which is among the top 5 kinds of aloe vera of the total 300 kinds of aloe vera available in the world, right? It has been grown in our company's own farms and under strict supervision, which we all do not do if we just consume our garden aloe vera, right? So it's basically built for anti-detoxification, right? You have to consume it for detoxification. It has 94% of aloe vera juice, right? Aloe vera extract. It has 3% of amla extract, 1% of tulsi, and 1% of ginger, right? So all this, all these extract make this product an antioxidant. It's also a concentrated product. You also have to just open the cap, right? You'll find 30 ml cap in it, right? So you have to fill this cap half, which is 15 ml, or a bit more than that, 15 to 20 ml as I always say, and you have to add that into lukewarm water. Just mix a bit and drink that lukewarm water as it is, right? There's nothing much needed. Guys, this product has been effective in dealing with detoxification a lot. At times what happens, people generally suffer with pimples or spots on their face, and they do not get to know. Even the doctors even don't know the cause. That exact cause is not known. But at times people suffer that because they have toxins in our body and they don't get rid of those toxins. So this product can help you get rid of all your toxins, right? It helps in a lot of diseases. It helps in more than 200 diseases, right? So you all can see this product once again. Just note the packing, and I'll move on to the next product quickly. Guys, now it's the ending of this video, and you will be able to witness the other products of the category in the upcoming videos. There will be a few videos on our channel very soon in which you will be able to witness each and every product of each and every category of the company. Guys, so just stay tuned, like the video and subscribe if the channel. Hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of the further videos. Also, if you want to support us, you can just comment in the comments box below. Also, if you are not enrolled with us till now, you can just comment in the comments box below and I'll get back to you.